cooking, sweetheart.
What else are you gonna say, sweetie?
Abby. What?
No, you go ahead and run with Papa.
Did Daddy cook for dinner? What you cooking? Oh. What?
Stop hiding.
Are you being goofy?
Are you a goofball?
Did you have some peanut butter? Did you like it? Good. Crackers.
No.
No.
Can you sing to Papa?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full.
Oh, you see a squirrel?
Is there one out by the sunroom?
No, we're out in the foyer actually.
Or Abby see the car? Is that what she said?
No, squirrel.
Oh, squirrel.
Yeah.
Squirrel's gone.
Squirrel's gone.
Squirrel's gone.
Oh, you found your peeps.
Where was your pee?
She put them in the sunroom.
Oh. You have so many peeps now. Huh?
Oh.
So many peeps. Yes, honey.
Oh, wow. Here, Abby, that's gonna fall if you leave it there. Can you hold it? Good, thank you. Oh. All right, can you say bye-bye to Papa?
Bye, honey.
Can you say love you? Oh, not just kiss, say love you.
Love you, Abby. Big kiss for you.
Okay.